Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to make one Rice Krispie treat. What you will need is 4 large marshmallows, or you can use a half a cup of mini marshmallows, a half a tablespoon of butter or margarine, and 1 cup of Rice Krispie treats. First, you want to place your half a tablespoon of butter into a glass dish that will be large enough to hold all of your ingredients. I'm going to place this into the microwave for about 10 seconds so the butter melts. When your butter is melted, you want to take your 4 marshmallows, wash your hands, please, and place this back into the microwave for about 20 seconds. The marshmallows will expand, probably triple the size. You want to work quickly. You want to pour your Rice Krispie treats. Oh, let's just pour this into the bowl. That way it'll be a lot easier to mix. See, you live and you learn. Now I've sprayed this spatula with some cooking spray so that it won't stick to the Rice Krispies. Make sure you get all the marshmallow all over your Rice Krispie treats. This doesn't set up too quickly. You don't really have to rush. I sprayed some cooking spray on this container so that the Rice Krispie doesn't stick. I'm just gonna put our mixture right into there. Now I know what you're thinking. That's a pretty big Rice Krispie treat for one person. And it is, but if you think about it, this is a lot better than making 400 Rice Krispie treats and eating them all. All right, there we go. We have this molded in there. We're just gonna set this aside, let this cool off, and I'll come back to show you our finished product. See you in a bit. I'm back, and here's our finished product. Remove this from your container. I just placed this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, just so it would harden up. And voila! We have one beautiful individual serving of a Rice Krispies treat. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's perfect. And it's delicious. I hope you liked this video. Have a great day. Bye.